Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Northwest 5 to 10 miles per hour at midnight. Gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%.
Get it?
Tuesday, partly sunny in the morning, then becoming mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. North winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Gusts up to 20 miles per hour, increasing to 30 miles per hour in the afternoon. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. North winds around 10 miles per hour.
I'll put batteries in that later.
30 miles per hour in the evening. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. North winds around 10 miles per hour with gusts to around 25 miles per hour.
Come on.
Wednesday night, clear. Lows in the upper 50s.
Don't it.
Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour with gusts to around 25 miles per hour in the evening, becoming light. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Friday, partly sunny with a chance of showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 30%.
Should be right here.
Friday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms.
I'll just cut to it. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go.
Counties in Michigan, Allegan, Berry, Branch, Calhoun, Cass, Kalamazoo, St. Joseph, and Van Buren, and the following: St. Joseph to Southaven, Michigan.
What if I'll get a TOA?
to Holland, Michigan. Lake Michigan,
What is that?
Southaven to Holland, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and Lake Michigan from St. Joseph to Southaven,
That's why
Michigan,
the quality
5
is
nautical
horrible.
miles offshore to mid-lake.
Look at the camera. Just
Remember,
be a little
a
bit
severe
better.
thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Also cut it to this
While
thing.
severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing
So I went to the
weather
thing where I can get more radios,
and
but
listen
I'll
for
cut to
later
that.
statements and
I'll
possible
stay
warnings.
here.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The following.
Here we go!
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a special marine warning for nearshore and open waters from St. Joseph to Whitehall, Michigan until 30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 26 nautical miles east of Sheboygan to 28 nautical miles east of Winter Farmers and 12 nautical miles south of Midway Airport, moving southeast at 55 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts to nearly 50
not even
knots,
working.
and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous
water
seas.
spouts!
Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include
Yeah, this already don't look good for an enhanced risk.
White Lake Pureheads, Holland Light, the White Lake Fireheads, Grand Haven Light, Muskegon Light, and St. Joseph. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts resulting in locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
What is it?
After midnight, mostly clear.
Did you just ghost
Waves
activate?
3 to 5 feet subsiding
Oh my
to
God.
2 to 4 feet.
Go to the WR120! Is it zoomed in?
Peninsula. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Mason County in west central Michigan, Muskegon County in west central Michigan, Oceana County in west central Michigan until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Mears State Park to 6 miles southwest of Silver Lake State Park to 20 miles west of Montague, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Muskegon, Hart, Shelby, Muskegon Heights, Roosevelt Park, North Muskegon, Whitehall, Montague, Lakewood Club, Ravenna, Fruitport, Hesperia, Edgewater, Mears State Park.
That's the ugly
Mears,
station I got
Silver Lake State
this
Park,
morning.
North
That
Shore, Dalton,
ruined part of my
Fulton,
life.
Sullivan. For your protection,
Met my
vehicles
names.
carry a room on the lowest floor of a building. Condition.
Actually, real quick. Come on. I want it on. There we go. So I'm gonna have to end this part 1, cause the storms that are coming to me, they haven't hit me, and there's another squall line from Milwaukee down, so I'll put the other part in KineMaster so y'all can see it, and I'll see you in the next part.
At 2:55 p.m. Line extending from to 8 nautical miles east of Bayside, moving southeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged to briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include South Haven Light, St. Joseph Light, and St. Joseph.
Doubleheader!
St. Joseph County in north central Indiana, northern Marshall County in north central Indiana, northeastern Rockport County in northwestern Indiana, western Cass County in southwestern Michigan, southeastern Berrien County in southwestern Michigan, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Yo, Central!
5 p.m. Eastern
I just got a doubleheader!
55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northwest of Dowagiac to near New Carlisle to Kingsford Heights, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail.
Actually,
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South End, Mishawaka, Lockport, Niles, Dowagiac, Bremen, Buchanan, Louisville Airport, Granger, Osceola, Walkerton, North Liberty, New Carlisle, Kingsford Heights, Edwardsburg, Lakeville, Roseland, Bertrand, Pokagon, and Dayton. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile marker 65 and 86. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Hope it's not triple.
If you spot a
Actually,
tornado, go
I
at
actually
once
like
into
those
the
triple.
basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Roof, siding, and trees. Locations of campus include South Bend, Mishawaka, LaPorte, Niles, Dowagiac, Bremen, Buchanan, Louisville Airport, Granger, Osceola, Walkerton, North Liberty, New Carlisle, Kingsford Heights, Edwardsburg, Lakeville, Roseland, Bertrand, Pokagon, and Dayton. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 65 and 86. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, locate a room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding.